What pushes us forward in this beautiful and magic world? It is faith. Usually, it reversed to reluction phase. Devotional Christians come to church to pray, expressing good wishes or confessions to God. It seems that God makes every man has a bright future. This faith is a universal one. It's something we can place our hopes on. This is the Christian sign. You can totally feel it by their voice, by their gardens. You can totally understand their faith in it. Just listen. Even the little child can feel their face from the sun, from their parents. And you can totally see that the face is powerful. Not everyone has his own religious faith. We have some other faiths in our heart. Sometimes they're abstract, like love, dream, perseverance. These kinds of faiths are like lights, lighting up every dark corners of our body, strengthening our ability to face our difficulties. And here, what I want to say is the faith to out. Every one of us has their faith to out, and this faith covers a lot. Like a piece of beautiful clothes, shows an outward out meaning. And what is more common and more difficult to find is the out of life. Teachers have their outs in teaching, while students have theirs in learning. Even a window or a light has its out. So the faith to outs can be found everywhere. The most typical example of people with the face to arts is the artists. The masterpiece Sunflowers of Van Gogh shows endless hopes to life and the spouts of emotions and strength around. With his unique understanding of female attractiveness during his era, Auguste Renoir used his brushes and colors to show it out on his famous works of female portraits. What symbolizes a higher level of the face to arts should be Da Vinci's Mona Lisa smile. This mysterious smile has passed through thousands of years till today. No one knows the exact code of this master's spiritual face, but I know this face must have been penetrating in his whole life long time. The face to arts is always related with the face to nature. Nature reveals us another side of art and of life. Let me ask one question. Who will deny the engineers from his heart to nature in this world? It seems that no one should deny the closeness of art to his life. This is the garden of the Master of Nets, one of Suzhou's classical gardens. While staying in busy cities, our ancestors preferred it to escape the noise and center themselves in nature, embracing mountains and lakes and enjoying the combination of art and nature. And the generations of great craftsmen, the wonder makers, made this to be a reality. They used their hands to express their understandings of art and nature to materialize their faith. These pavilions, halls, colorful beds, white walls, rockworks, pools and flowers, grasses as well as birds, have come on people's face of art and nature since ancient times. When you see it, you may thought, it's just like a wonder. You will forget everything in it. But it's too grand for us of those ancient people's face. It need money, need time, and actually we don't have it. So what can we do? As a student and common person, what should I use to pursue art and nature? Paintings. Here are some pieces of my works. Although they are not delicate, they represent my face. I use a nature background with some animals and plants, decorating those little pixels symbolizing the spirits of nature. Maybe you will find some similarities from these works, and that proves there are many people like me in this world willing to show their face of nature and art. What we have in common is the face. What different is what we paint. Face is indispensable. Art and nature are wonderful. Once you find them in your life, you can overcome all sufferings with a smile. You can enjoy a meaningful life in the long river of time. When the power of faith becomes the mainstay of your world, art and nature will be the new brilliance and shine up every corner of your life.